everybody, welcome to Homesteading with Sadie. So I'm Robin and today I'm going to do an unboxing. I was asked to do a product review from a place called let me get it right. Home Mark. They asked me if I would, in return for their item, do a product review. We are not sponsored. I am not an Amazon sponsor or an Amazon affiliate, and we're not sponsored by this product. They just said, would you like to do an unboxing in return for this item? So I haven't even opened it yet, so let's open it up together. Hey Sadie. Hey. All right. Box in a box. All right, so it says S-O-L-P-E-X, Solpex, 8-pack solar yard and landscape. So let's take a look what's inside here. Okay. Instructions, tell you what's inside, how to put it together, and how it works. Charging for 8 hours each day is recommended. Okay. All right. So this is what they are, those solar lights, and they're very pretty. They're like literally like a little crystal ball, or like a diamond. That's what I want to say, like a diamond. So here's this part. Let's see. We got this part, and then let me take them all out. Where the solar panel is. Cocoa. So these are like, for whatever, I don't know, they're like extension poles or something, or little poles. Yes, that's what they are. Stop. All right, so these, she's so demanding. Okay, enough, sit down. Okay, so these go on there like that. Oh, look at that, the stakes are inside here. So you see that the stakes come inside there, so you just pull the stakes out. So here you have the light thing. So there's 8 of these. Let me read the instructions real quick. It says, push the crystal lamp roof upwards. Because I gotta take the thing out. Oh, look at that, it popped right out. Okay. And then gently twist the roof. Easy. Wait, what am I doing? Turn on the switch. Oh, okay. Switch is here on the, it's black, so you can't really see it. So it's right here. So switch it to on. Oh, and the light comes on. So let me know it's on. And then I put the cover back on. Okay, put it back on. And when I cover, I don't know if you can see the light. Come on. We'll see it more in the daytime, or in the nighttime. All right, so it snaps in, put this on here, and then I'm just gonna do that with all 8 of them now. Okay, so here's a better shot of them. Oh, there's 8 of them, and you can see it's like a crystal. It's really pretty. But you can see what it comes with. There's 8 of them. The company is Solpex. But I'm totally going to leave the description in the comments below. So far, I like these. So we're going to take them outside, let them charge, and then show you what we think about them at nighttime. Okay, so in order to install these, you just take the spike and push it down, and they're good. And then maybe here. All right, we'll go ahead and put all 8 of them in, and then we'll show you what they look like at night. Okay, so here they are at night, and you can see how bright they are. There's Coco. They're very pretty, and they're very bright, and they do stay lit all night long. When I come out in the morning, they're still lit, so I like them. So like I said, we weren't sponsored. We were just asked to do an unboxing and a display of showing you how these lights go together and how they work. But I'll leave a link below if you're interested in purchasing these lights. And we will see you on the next video.